Kitasco 69th Independence Quiz champions. Kita Senior Technical School has emerged victorious in the 69th Independence Day Schools Quiz competition organized by the Ghana Education Service. The competition, which saw participation from top schools across the country, showcased Kitasco's exceptional knowledge and teamwork. According to the Ghana Education Service, the quiz competition aimed to promote patriotism, unity, and academic excellence among Ghanaian students. Kitasco's win is a testament to their hard work and dedication to academic pursuits. The school's team demonstrated impressive mastery of various subjects, including history, geography, and current affairs, as they navigated through challenging questions to claim the top spot. We are thrilled with the results, said the school's team captain. This victory is a reflection of our team's collective effort and commitment to excellence. All right. Let me move it away from Ziavi. Kita aloketa Keta Secondary School, Kita Scovio, Olegma, le Ghana Education Service, alo Jiru, Dope Panasuku Daniel, for Gile, Ghana Fia, Old Dewan Aretum, a proper 6th of March, Yenye Independence Day. Da Le Movu, we are in a heritage month, and a happy heritage month to everybody. I remember wishing Happy New Month to everybody, Happy Heritage Month as well, because March, yeah, in Happy Independence Day. Yeah, in a way, independence is an achievement. Debate allergy, na yi sukukoko, amobe do jabemia I celebrate Independence Day. Amobe, majimia celebrate you. Well, so you can share views on that one on +233 242670773. Okay. Da mi ode wona retoma na sukuvio boba de nunya eke elo sicho history inchi aba sukuvu vo ono ho bebliame. Keta senior high technical elema le ho bebliame. So big congratulations to my alma mater, you know, that school is a top school. Lokboji University, congratulations to all of you and all the